guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn Valentina, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw from 1 to 10, pretending with animals and numbers, or some could be maybe things. And also today we're going to learn how to draw some animals which are like circle. So let's get started. We're also gonna do the candle magic again. It's a magic trick, but it also has a very, very secret thing. I'll tell you at the end of the video, okay? So guys, for this video, you need the following things. So get ready to remember in your brain. First, we need some crayons, any color crayons. Next, some markers. I'm gonna draw the black one. There, and a ruler. And next we're gonna also take some papers. Those are papers. Then we're gonna use the bangle, a marble. I have marble. Or a coin. I took a quarter because it's pretty bigger than my other coins. Next, you need a candle for the science experiment at the end. Then a glass. And that's all the following things you need. Now let's start, guys. First, you need a black marker. Then you're gonna draw number 1. Just put a 1. Next, you're gonna draw like that. Then you're gonna do that. Next, you're gonna join it to make like a cylinder. You're gonna put that. You're gonna do that. Hooray! We made a candle! So the next thing for number 2 is a swan. So next we're gonna draw a number 2. Then we're gonna curve it. And when you get to the bottom of it, join the tail. Next we're gonna draw the swans first. Next is the beak. Next, we'll use a thinner. Draw thinner. Then we're going to use that. Then you color one of the parts. And you could also add a crown, but I like crowns, so I'm gonna add one. And that's number 2. So number 3 is gonna be a caterpillar. So use number 3. First, you just put a normal number 3. Next, it's the fun part. You need to curve it like a caterpillar. Next, you can put a big face. Next, 2 eyes and a happy face. You can make any faces, but I'm gonna make mine like chewing on me. That's number 3, but I really want to add some details. If you guys want, you can add some more details, but I'm going to add some details. So let's move on to number 4. So we're going to do that. Next, what we're going to do for number 4 is we're going to move it a little. Make that way. Then we're going to move it a little higher. We're going to put a flag. And this could be a man standing out. And that's number 4. Now let us draw number 5. First, we're going to draw the number 5. Going to take a very good curve. Next, we are going to add them. Next, for that, we're going to take it. We're going to do that. Then this one's gonna be a branch, and this be a leaf. And this is number 5. So next is number 6. So 6 is good. We're gonna draw the number 6. I'm gonna make it a little higher, and I'm gonna draw an elf hat. And that's my elf hat. And I'm gonna draw some hair for her. I'm gonna draw a happy face. He's happy. 7 we're gonna draw number 7. 7, I think you're gonna like 7. When we're done drawing this number 7, we're gonna add it. And we're gonna like make some designs. Then that way. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that in the curves. Then we're gonna get up, and then you could also draw a happy face. That's my ice cream for number 7. Next is 8. 8 is so fun. You're gonna like really love it. We're gonna draw number 8. And then we're gonna draw some buttons. Then we're gonna draw this, like some warm things to make our snowman feel good. Next, we're gonna draw the eyes. Next is carrot nose. And we could also have a hat. I'm gonna color in the hat. And then we could also draw some hands. That's number 8. Now let's draw 9. 9. It's gonna be a whistle, what they blow with their mouth. It's gonna be a whistle. So now we have 9, and it's gonna be 10. The final one, it's gonna be a cricket ball. Sorry about cricket. We have a bat. Now we're gonna draw a ball. Do that. That's our ball. And now we have the full numbers. Guys, it's the exciting part. It's only one more drawing thing to experiment. Are you so excited? Me too. I'm like waiting for the very long hours. So let's start and do it quickly. So first we're gonna take a pencil. We're gonna use it to make a circle. And that's a ladybug. Next is a cow. Next, again, we're going to use the bangle to give them a little more space. Next, then we're going to put a line under, and we're and this is a cow. Next, we're gonna take the other bangle. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna make a cat, so we're gonna use her nose. She needs to be happy. So we're gonna take it. And don't forget her ears, or she cannot hear anything. Or mice comes to her. Next, now it's the cat. I know it doesn't look good because I'm not used to draw elephants, but we're gonna draw a dog now. That's gonna look adorable. We're gonna take another circle away. Next, we're gonna draw the puppy's ears so long. Next, you could make him look like that, asking like for a treat to eat, because that's what puppies do. Even my puppy here does that, like that to get his treats. Guys, it's the time and you are waiting for a very long time to this video. Yes, you're right. We're gonna do the candle experiment. So I have a matchbox. If you want, you could use this, or you can ask Elsa for help, because I need help, because like when the fire comes, it's so scary, so I don't want to get my hands. Or you can like go and use like the matchstick to do it. So let's take the glass. Now next, we could start the candle experiment. But before that, you need to have a candle lighted up, any candle, then a glass. Now we're gonna put the glass like that and wait for it to go. Did you see that? Guys, did you know even there's an experiment behind this? Do you know that candle is really working because of the oxygen that we breathe, like in the air. So when a glass tumbler is on top of the candle, it blocks the oxygen from coming into the candle. So that's why our candle like gone off. Then we just like put the glass on top. Guys, I'm doing it one more for you guys, so that when people are somewhere, so they don't miss it. So we have the candle with fire. I'm gonna take the glass, put it inside, wait for it to go. Guys, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the icon bell. And also, I will meet you in another very interesting experiment. Bye! Peace out!